Have you ever tried to memorize a list of Croatian words, repeated them 5 times, 10 times, and the next day they were gone? And you probably thought, oh, I have a bad memory. But the truth is, memory doesn't fail you. The method does. The secret to remembering Croatian vocabulary isn't force, it's meaning. Most learners imagine language learning as stuffing words into a box. Write it down, repeat it, hope it stays. But our brains are not boxes. They are networks. If a word just floats around with no connections, it gets lost. That's why flashcards or endless word lists feel good in the moment, but vanish a day later. You worked hard, but the brain didn't keep it. Why? Because there was no hook, no connection, no reason for the brain to say, oh, this is important, let me hold on to it. Cognitive research confirms this. We remember new information better when it connects to something meaningful that's already in our brain. And it's called associative memory. Think of it. You'll never forget the Croatian word kava because it connects to a ritual you probably already love. You drink coffee, you enjoy it, you can smell it, taste it. That's meaning. But take a neutral word like žlica, spoon. You'll forget it until you picture your grandmother giving you a spoonful of soup. Now it's linked to an image, to an emotion. And suddenly it sticks. And this is where Croatian culture becomes your ally. Culture is not extra. Culture is memory glue. Take the word ajme. On paper, it means something like, oh no. But when you've heard a Dalmatian grandmother saying ajme meni with her whole body, you'll never forget it. The sound carries the feeling. Or take more, the sea. It's not just a noun. If you've stood on the Adriatic coast, felt the salt on your skin, you'll never forget more. This is why I always tell my students, don't learn words as empty shapes. Tie them to a song, a dish, a story, a person. Your brain doesn't want information, it wants meaning. Let's try it now. Think of the word apple, jabuka. If I just give you the word, you'll forget it by tomorrow. But now imagine this. Moja baka mi je uvijek nosila jabuke. My grandmother always brought me apples. Suddenly, the word jabuka isn't just a fruit. It's family, memory, love. And that word will stay with you much longer. So next time you learn a new Croatian word, don't just repeat it. Stop and ask, what can I connect it to? A taste, a song, a place, a person. That's the secret. So the secret to remembering Croatian vocabulary is simple. Don't force it, connect it. Don't just memorize, personalize. And you'll see how words stop slipping away and start becoming part of you. Vidimo se u sljedećem videu. See you in the next video.